What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2025 Monkey Business. Alright guys, so this thing dropped. This was kind of just like I kind of just bought it. I think it's a really nice animatronic. It's not my favorite of the lineup, but hopefully it will surpass my expectations. I think it'll be a good animatronic. I think it'll add to my clowns. But I don't see it being like a big standout or anything. So hopefully it will exceed my expectations of just being good. Something I already love just pulling this out is that this is not cardboard. The box that the monkey is in, this is actually like a fabric. It's interesting. I like that, just for you. It looks nice, and then yeah, this is where the monkey jumps out of, obviously. All right guys, so here is the head. He looks really good. I love the way the head looks. This is latex, unfortunately, which is not good. This thing probably will dry rot. It definitely feels like something that will dry rot, I can't lie. But still a really cool head. The hair in the back is a little interesting. Don't know what's going on there. But yeah. Coming out here is all the clothes and the hat. Let's see what we got in here. And the instructions are right over there. Here's the hat. Here are the pom-poms. It'll probably come off in like a second. Here is a neck ruffle. I don't know what this is, but this is like fur. Like this feels like actual like luxury clothing here. This is the shirt, it looks like. Wow. Yeah, this is actually like fur. That's so weird. And the clothing is really good quality. It seems very similar to the Pennywise from like 2019 and 2020 that's apparently returning this year. Here are the pants, same great quality. Coming out next are the arms. There's nothing attached to them quite yet. It's just the prongs and the arms, you know. Right here we have the shoes. They are nice shoes. They are not just gonna break. They're not just gonna like shatter as soon as somebody steps on them. They seem really good quality. I'm really glad we're using these shoes and not the other random ones. All right, so here is the monkey. I believe his eyes do light up. He looks pretty cool. It's hard plastic, no latex on this one. Here is the shoulder frame, guys. Looks pretty nice, pretty regular. Here is the control box. You can definitely tell this is crazy create just because there's so many parts, and also the IR sensor for some reason doesn't have like a nice cord. It has to like be pushed in there and then pulled out the end of the season. It's really weird. Here's the pop-up mechanism. This will go inside of the box, I assume, and this will push the monkey up. Here are the two hands. They have snap locks on them right here. All sorts of different leg poles and stuff. Arm poles, I'm not sure what these are, honestly. Crazy poles everywhere. Another random pole. I have no idea what this is for. And then a hip loop. Definitely gonna need the instructions today. The adapter is in this little box. We have one more little pole, and then we have the base. The base seems pretty decent quality, not great, but about on par where everybody else typically is in quality. All right, guys, sorry if I seemed a little like de-energized. I feel I'm getting like a hot flash right now. I don't know what the heck's going on, but yeah. That is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup.
Rocky.
got him all set up and ready to go. Now let's plug him in. Hi, Reggie. There's my cat in there, obviously.
Monkey see, monkey Okay, ready for the surprise? Don't worry, he doesn't bite too hard. You curious? What's in the box? So is this monkey? More clowning around. It's time for monkey business.
All right, guys, so that was Monkey Business from Spirit Halloween. This guy is $330 on Spirit Halloween's website. Definitely use a 20% off coupon for that to bring it down to $260. I definitely think Crazy Create, as much as I don't love the company, I think they make the most like human-like animatronics. Like it looks like, really, it does look like a real human. It always like Henry Hustle and this one, they all look real. They really do. Most of them, at least their body does. Like in the dark, they look very, very real. So yeah, this guy's really cool. I do love him. I think, yeah, he'll go great in my display. I like him a little more than I thought I would. The monkey just pops up pretty fast. It's a really good animatronic. But definitely use that 20% off coupon to get it down to $260. I will leave a link in the description if you would like to purchase him. I will also leave a link to my merch store. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, as it helps the channel greatly against the YouTube algorithm. And other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.